An hour ago, the price of Bitcoin suddenly faltered after days of non-action, crashing from the $6,700 base where it had traded at for much of Friday to $6,250 within a few minutes' time. As a result, at least $20 million worth of long positions on BitMEX were liquidated, while millions more probably bit the dust on other exchanges. While the selling pressure has since subsided, with BTC settling around $6,300, a swath of prominent cryptocurrency traders fearing that the worst is yet to come. Cryptocurrency trader DonAlt, who called much of Bitcoin's recent decline, posted the below chart while asking why the recent price action feels so familiar. As can be seen below, the commentator is referring to his sentiment that the price action that has transpired since March 12 is similar to that seen in late February to early March, during which BTC rallied higher to only get rejected at a horizontal resistance. If Bitcoin is to follow this forming pattern to AT, it will make one more attempt at surmounting $7,000s in the coming days, then fall dramatically, potentially towards the local lows at $3,800. The expectation that the cryptocurrency market will continue to retrace further has been echoed by Bitcoin chartist Crypto Cactus, who remarked that with the recent move, the cryptocurrency has moved below a key horizontal level and is showing signs it is entering into a textbook markdown phase, which will likely result in more losses for BTC in the short term. Harrowing recent price action aside, many believe that the fundamentals of Bitcoin remain anything but weak. According to data released Thursday, the Federal Reserve's balance sheet has reached a record of $5.25 trillion, adding $586 billion worth of assets, or more than 10% of last week's balance sheet total, in a mere 5 business days. This comes after last week's balance sheet increase of over $300 billion. The consensus is that this trend is extremely bullish for scarce assets, Bitcoin included. BitMEX Research wrote in a recent report that the record influx of monetary and fiscal stimulus will give Bitcoin one of its biggest opportunities yet, as the potential inflation that will come will prove the necessity for a disinflationary asset.